Alright, welcome back guys, Technivorous again. This is going to be our setup for PETG, and for this one, instead of starting from my base profile, I'm going to be starting with my already made ABS profile. So, I'm not going to mess with layer height, any of that. What we are going to do is go down to our fan, where it says cooling, and we are going to enable it, and we are going to set it at 20%. We do want some cooling, but not much. Other than that, there is not much in here that needs to be changed when going from PETG to ABS and vice versa. So we are going to turn off the draft shield because we don't really need it. You can leave it on if you want. It's going to use a lot more filament and it will be slightly beneficial. But the best thing to do with PETG when you have warping, it generally occurs on the corners. So you're going to want to use a brim instead of a skirt, and usually that will eliminate all of your lifting corners and warping problems. It doesn't really crack along layer lines like ABS does, so we don't really have to worry about that. Print speed and everything is fine, and our printing temperature is okay at 240 for a general beginning. Now that is at the high end of most PETGs, but I have seen some that go up to about 155. 155 is the max that your hot end on your Ender 3 is going to take, but it is a little over the gassing off point of a standard Bowden tube. So if you turn it up past 240, you are going to start to get charring in your hot end in the tube, and it will need to be replaced eventually. Also, at that point, you're going to want to make sure that you're not standing next to the printer and breathing in the fumes, because it will emit some VOCs. And if you didn't see my video on the handy dandy air filter I put up yesterday, you should definitely check it out. I'll put a card up here. That thing is amazing. Filters 99.7% of all toxins out of the air. It's going to get rid of your dust. It's going to get rid of your odors and fumes, and it's also going to get rid of those VOCs. The VOC is a volatile organic compound. So when you heat up the hot end, or even when you start melting regular plastic, there is always the possibility of releasing some of those, and you really don't want to breathe them in. They can cause nausea, headaches, stuff like that. So we are done with this profile. All we need to do is go to the settings, profile, manage profile, same way we did all the other ones, and we are going to name this one PETG, if it ever loads. There we go. Create. PETG. I'm going to get rid of this number 2 here. Hit OK. And we now have our main profile set up here. So we have, oh, wait a minute now. For some reason it didn't put a G in there. There we go. Alright, so now we have our main profile set up. ABS, PETG, are 3 different PLA profiles because I'm printing in that the most, so I like to have those readily available. This was the original profile we were using to build them off of, and our vase profile. Next is going to be some TPU. I am currently in the process of doing a direct drive mod onto my printer, so my TPU settings are going to be changing, but I will post them with the pre and post direct drive mod settings, which will be slightly different. The retraction will be different and things like that. So those will be coming up, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Ring that bell down below because we got plenty more of these coming at you. And that's going to be it.
And as always, guys, I am Technivorous. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. You can subscribe right here by clicking on the icon. And I put a couple videos up in the corner. One of them is going to be my latest video, my latest upload. And the other one is going to be what YouTube recommends for you. So feel free to check those out. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications down below, and we'll see you guys next time.